Sometimes it seems like composting is so slow. What can you do? Coffee grounds are not just for your morning pick-me-up, they're compost activators that speed up decomposition. Comfrey leaves are another secret weapon for your compost. Rich in nutrients, they help break down materials faster, enriching your compost even more. Moisture is crucial for compost. The texture should feel like a wrung-out sponge, moist but not dripping. Turning your compost introduces oxygen, which is vital for decomposition. A little effort here goes a long way. Thanks so much for joining us today. Starting a composting journey enriches your garden and our planet. Turning waste into treasure is a great way to harness the environmental benefits. We'd love to hear your composting stories and tips. Share your experiences in the comments below, and let's learn from each other. If you found value in this composting guide, please like, subscribe, and share. Your support helps us grow this community. Craving more gardening wisdom? Stay tuned for additional tips and tutorials. Together, we can cultivate a greener world.